Hey everybody, it's another day. This is just gonna be a real short clip. I'm gonna show you a little bit that one little small thing I got done to the 31, but due to time constraints, I'm not really gonna have much of a video. This is gonna be really short, really sweet. I leave to go out of town to get ready for some prepare some hunting spots for my daughter in Southern Illinois. So last video y'all saw me get the shifter and stuff in. So the only thing else that I've done to the little car is I got the splash, what do they call that, the splash apron put in. It's not tightened down because I need to put the grill in it into here and get it all lined up. And that little package right there is the bolts and the springs for the radiator. I got the light bar mounted, and I still got to tighten some bolts down, but I wanted to be able to get everything adjusted with the radiator before I tighten everything down. I also set the seats in. They're pretty tight. They're just sitting in the car right now. So but I got them in. Give you a little sneak peek. They're a pretty nice seat. I wanted to leave them wrapped up so that they don't get too dirty, but I got them just sitting in there. There's a bar in the thing, and so it's not sitting level, and I'm gonna have to do some fabrication probably to get those mounted. But I texted him a picture of those and let him know that it's gonna be pretty tight for him, because he's like 6'4", 6'5", I can't remember. He's tall, so it's gonna be kind of tight for him. So but I'll add on to this video just a little clip or two in Illinois and what I'm setting up for my daughter to hunt, and a really good friend of mine to go hunt with us. I'll basically be guiding this year, so I'm not gonna hunt, but I want to make sure my daughter's got her place set up, and then a really good friend of mine that I'm taking up that hopefully gets maybe to get a decent deer while we're up there. So but like I said, I'll put a few clips of that in there so you can see. So it's not going to be much of a video this go around, but I promise to do better after I get back. So stick around with me. Hey everybody, it is another day. I had the little short clip before this in front of the Model A, but just to show you why you're not getting a car video of some kind. I am in beautiful Southern Illinois. This is where my wife is from. She's from up here. And next month is hunting season. Weekend before Thanksgiving, we will come up here, and so I'm preparing some hunting spots for my daughter and a really good buddy of mine that's coming up here to hunt for the first time, and I'm hoping he can kill a pretty nice deer. But just so you can see, this is one of the hunting locations, and that house way up there is where we stay when we come up here. And here's what I've been working on. I had to move the platform and stuck some rails up real quick, and I put the pop-up blind on it, and I got everything set and situated, chairs in it, everything's going. I got my game cam on the front. So that's what we're looking at. that's what I'm doing. So that's the reason you're not going to get a car video this week. But next week I'll be back in the shop. So hope you enjoy these few little clips of this pretty landscape and me getting ready for my daughter to get up here and hunt. She's excited, as she is every year. So and my buddy's real excited. So now I'm done with this spot. I'm gonna go to another section of the property that we hunt and set up another one. So stick around with me. Right there, you might go hunt up in the woods. Okay, spot number 2. It's up and ready. You can see down to that bottom. See all the way across. And see over this corner over here. So, 2 spots down. I got 1 more to go. Stick with me. All right, and number 3, right here. I didn't have another big tent, another big pop-up blind, so decided to put a 1-manner over here. But the road's right there, and you got all of this into this corner, and then this wood area behind it. We can hunt all the wooded area behind it too. But this is it. So that's why you don't get a car video this week. Got my daughter, got my buddy set up now. And about a month from now, we'll be back up. And hopefully they can harvest a really nice buck, each one of them. That would be a blessing. That would be a great thing. So nothing make me happier than see my daughter get a great big buck. So that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, short, sweet, to the point. Very short actually, I guess. But like I always say, hey, keep your head up. Don't look down on yourself. Don't look down on others. Oh, keep your head up, you can get some stuff done. So from the great beautiful southern Illinois, get out there and work on them old rides. Save a part of history. And until next time, bye.